welcome back to the Beautethical. My name is Archana, and if you're new to my channel, please take a second to subscribe. I will really appreciate it. So today's video is a Raksha Bandhan makeup look. Raksha Bandhan is just around the corner and I'm going to keep this look very simple. I want a fresh, glowing kind of a skin, not much makeup. On the eyes, I might go in for a liner or kajal. I don't know, we will decide as we go along the video. But without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So I'm starting off by using this primer on my face. It's a mattifying primer. It will help me keep my face matte for a longer time. So I'm going to use this mainly on my T-zone where the oils tend to come through faster. So I'm concentrating on my T-zone. And I'm just, whatever is remaining, I'm just going to go onto my face. Next, I'm just going to use a foundation shade as a concealer, and I'm going to use it with a very light hand. So I'm going to use this shade called B65 from Derma range of Kryolan Professional Makeup, and I'm just going to use a cream blending kind of a blush, and I'm taking it on the brush. I'm taking it on the brush a little bit and I'm just going to go under my eyes. I'm not going to use a corrector, highlight, because the more number of products you use, the heavier the look becomes, and that's not what I'm going for today. So with a very light hand, I'm just going to blend. I'm just going to go over the areas which really look dark on my face. So this inner side of my eyes is one such area. Try and use it only on those areas which tend to look dark. You can also use a beauty blender if that's more comfortable. And I've decided that I'll not use a foundation today. I know it looks a little bit patchy, but I'm just going to blend it out. I just want a very thin layer because I don't want it to look cakey. And that's it. I'm just going to pat this product into my skin using my fingers. I'm not going to use any foundation today. So normally when I use a foundation and a corrector, a concealer and everything together, I sometimes use banana powder for under my eyes and this luxury powder from Milani in the shade Beige Suede all over my face because I have tan and this powder suits my skin really well at this time and this situation. But today I'm just going to use this powder all over because I don't want a situation where my eyes are looking too light and too covered and the rest of my face is looking like it has no coverage at all. So I'm just first going to powder my eyes and then I'm just going to powder my entire face using the same powder. This is a very light, quick, efficient makeup look. You can use this for other festivals as well if you don't want to do a very heavy look. As I have shown in other festivals, you can definitely use this quicker version for any of those other festivals that you would want to get ready for, but you don't want to spend a lot of time doing your makeup. So now that is done, and now I'm going to bronze up my face using this baked bronzer from Milani. It's in the shade number 4 Glow, and I'm just going to use my blush brush for this. Just going over the bronzer like that, getting of the excess, and just, this is a shiny bronzer, so it's not a matte bronzer. I'm not going to contour my face today because I'm not going for any harsh look. This will give a lot of color to the otherwise flat face. This will also give subtle shine. Just going on the perimeters of my face, and even though I have used a bronzer on my face, I'm still going to go ahead and use a blush. So I'm using this Contour the Force face palette, and I'm going to use the blush from here. This palette is in number 2 Vivid Victory, and I'm going to use the same blush, and I'm just going to add a little bit more color to my face. That's a lot of color. That's not really good at all. But a little more color does look good sometimes when you don't have a lot going on otherwise on your face. There I have added the blush, and I think I will just use the contour shade also a little bit, because otherwise I would feel incomplete if I didn't do this step. And I'm going to just fill in my brows using this Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer. This is in their shade number 1 Cherry Brown. I'm going to quickly fill in my brows. And now for the eyes, I'm just going to use Urban Decay's Naked Palette, and I'm going to use this shade right here. It is called Toasted. I'm just going to take a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to wet the brush a little bit. And now I'll just pick up the shade. I've chosen this shade because it's closer to my skin tone. If you are fair, you should use a more pinky shade. There is a shade called Sin in the Naked Palette, and that will suit you perfectly well if you are of a lighter skin tone. Just going to give a very fresh kind of a look. I'm not going to add any color definition today. I'm not going to add anything else today. This is going to be very plain and simple. You can actually play with colors. If you are somebody who loves to play with makeup, who loves to try different looks, I would really urge you to try different shades. There's nothing wrong or right with makeup. You might actually really like the look. So I will never say do not try this or do not try that, because it's ultimately makeup. It will come off of your skin when you remove it. So on the eyes, I was thinking maybe I should use some kajal to give some definition, but I'm just going to use this kajal pencil from P.A.C. It is the black kajal pencil. I am just tightlining my eye to give my upper lash line some definition. Nothing major, very light. I still want this look to be very fresh and not very hard or harsh. And now I'm just going to use some mascara. The mascara I'm using is the Mega Protein Mascara from NYX Cosmetics. And now after adding the mascara, I'm just going to take the same brush and going to go on the lower lash line a little bit with the same shade. It's the same brush, the same wet brush. I'm just using the tip of that brush, and just to go into the inner corner of the eye, I'm just going to take a small pencil brush and I'm going to wet it a little bit. So for lips as well, I'm not going to do a very defined kind of a lip today. I'm using this lipstick from NYX. It is in the shade Merlot. It's their matte lipstick. So I'm just going to take it a little bit on my finger and I'm just going to. And the last thing that I'm going to use today is this Too Faced Sweet Sunshine Lip Gloss. It is in the shade Watermelon Ice. And I'm just going to use. So this is the look complete. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I have never done such a look on my channel before. I have done a no foundation look before, but nothing so fresh and glowy. And if you want that extra glow for your face, you can use a liquid highlighter on the high points of your face, and that will give you that extra glowy kind of a skin. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this look, and if you did, please let me know in the comment section below so that I can make more of such videos, create more of such looks and bring them to you. A very happy Raksha Bandhan to all of you. Have a fantastic celebration, and I will see you again very soon with another cruelty-free video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.